Hi everybody and welcome to Fox and Her Creations. My name is Bree and I'm here to answer some questions today in regards as to how I transfer my embroidery designs to the fabric. And there's two ways that I'm going to show you how to do this. One is the light box method and one is using the window. And the window is great for those who don't have a light box or don't have the money to invest in one. You can do it on a pretty sunny day or a partly cloudy day. Anything darker than that, then you might have to wait. I've actually gotten pretty creative in my years past when I didn't have a light box or a window to get to, and I happen to have some plexiglass and lifted it up using some DVDs and the flashlight mode on my camera, and that's how I transferred my designs doing it that way. So that's a cheap method that you can do. So let me show you how to do the light box method first, and then I'll show you how to do the window. Both are really easy, super simple, and yeah, let's get to it. So I'm back and I'm ready with my light box, as you can see. Now this one was made by somebody and it's really tall and really big. It's probably about, I don't know, 10 inches tall. You can kind of see it. It's pretty beastly. But you can buy light boxes online or at your local art shops, or quilt shops even will have them too. So if you talk to your local quilt shop, they should be able to get one in for you. And so these are the tools that you can use to trace your design from your paper to your fabric. And I already have my fabric fused with the shape flex. Now that's important, is if you're going to use a stabilizer on the back of your fabric, fuse that on first and then trace everything on there. I'm always afraid that if I don't, that if I end up ironing, like especially pens, if I end up ironing the design, it might be permanent on there. I haven't tested it yet, so don't get me wrong on that, but I like to do my fusing first and then tracing. So this one is both a disappearing ink pen and mark be gone. You can find these at most craft shops. This one is found at local quilt shops. It's the Soline brand, and these are just some Drist pencils. The white's really good if you're gonna do a dark color like black or dark purples, and it is possible to trace onto dark fabrics. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape my design onto my light box just so that way it stays put, and I'm gonna turn my light box on. And you see how bright that is. Woo! So, next step, and you can see with the light box that it shines through really well. And so with any of these, the Soline is my favorite. It does have, this particular pen does have a disappearing ink pen that comes with it, but it has since dried out, so it is washable, so I'll just mist this later and erase it then. So this is just how simple this is. You just lay your fabric on top of your design that's taped, and you can tape your fabric too. If you have a more intricate design and you don't want it to move, just tape your fabric as well. No harm and foul in doing that. And so this is what you just basically do, is just trace and go roundy, roundy, round. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So mine's not perfect, but I can always wash it away and do something different. So then now let me show you how you do the window. So now I have taped it onto my window. Welcome to my neighborhood. It's super sunny down here today, but anyways, so, which is great. The more sun you have, the better, because you can really see the design through the fabric. So I have also taped my fabric to the design because it's a lot easier to have that extra little support up here or wherever you're going to tape it off at, just because you are working vertically, so your arms might get tired. So what I'm going to do is just do the same thing and just, you can see, I should be, you get what I'm trying to lay down. I should have taped both ends because my struggle was real for a second. But anyways, so just gonna trace, same concept, and there we go. Sorry if the video is a little shaky, but that's how you transfer on a window. Just the same concept as doing it on a light box, but if you are thrifty and wanna do your window, great. If you wanna use a light box, go for it. It's all up to you. So thanks everybody. Hopefully this was helpful. Drop a comment below if it was. And like, comment, share, and let me know how I'm doing. Thanks everybody. Bye.